Let us try this problem. So we have to calculate the molar mass of unknown gas. Let us say molar mass of unknown gas is mx and unit is gram per mole. And rate of effusion for the unknown gas, let us also unknown gas effusion rate, and let us say this is Rx. Similarly for oxygen, we know molar mass of oxygen and this is 32 gram per mole. Now rate of oxygen, so effusion rate for oxygen, let us say this is RO2. Question says this unknown gas effuses at a rate that is 0.355 times the rate of oxygen. So basically Rx is nothing but 0.355 times of rate of effusion of oxygen. So this is given. Now we can apply the Graham's law, that is rate of effusion is inversely proportional to under root of molecular mass. So I can apply for oxygen also. So this is proportional to molecular mass of M2. If I divide these two equations, I will have Rx by RO2. This is equals to molecular weight of X, and on the top we will have molecular mass of oxygen. And Rx is nothing but 0.355 times of RO2, and this divided by RO2, and this under root of molecular weight of oxygen. Oxygen is 32 gram per mole, and molecular mass of unknown gas basically we have to calculate. So we will have from here under root mx is equals to under root 32 gram per mole, and this divided by 0.355, or if I square, so I will have mx is equals to 32 gram per mole, and this divided by 0.355 raised to the power 2. So we can calculate this value. So let us say we have 0.355 into 0.355. So this is 0.1260, and this divided by 32 divided by this. So I will have 32 divided by 0.1260. So this is around 254. So mass is molecular mass of unknown gas is basically 254 gram per mole, and we have to basically calculate, or we have to identify the gas. Since this is a homonuclear diatomic, this means both atoms are of same kind. I can have something like X2. So one atom will mass have, so this is 254. So two atom has a mass of 254. So one atom will have a mass of 127. So this is iodine. So diatomic molecule is basically iodine. And this molecular weight is 254 gram per mole. This is for iodine. Now let us discuss this practice problem. You can do yourself. calculate the ratio of effusion rate of nitrogen to oxygen. Same idea, let us say Rn2 denotes rate of effusion of nitrogen, and RO2 denotes rate of effusion of nitrous oxygen. So we can apply Graham's law, and this law says rate of effusion is inversely proportional to under root molecular weight. So I can say Rn2 is proportional to molecular weight of nitrogen, and RO2 is proportional to 1 by under root of molecular weight of oxygen. So we have to calculate Rn2 divided by RO2. So we can divide equation 1 and equation 2. So we will have molecular weight of oxygen go on the top and divided by molecular weight of nitrogen. So this is Rn2 by RO2, and molecular weight of oxygen is 32 and nitrogen is 28. So we will have this, so 32 by 28, so 32 divided by 28, and then we have to take a square root. So this is 1.06. So I can say Rn2 by RO2, this is 1.06. Or if I want to write up to 3 digit, I have to write 1.069. So this means Rn2 is equals to 1.069 times rate of oxygen. So basically nitrogen is moving faster. Nitrogen is diffusing faster than oxygen, and this is obvious because nitrogen has molecular weight 28 and oxygen is a heavier molecule. So I can say nitrogen is effusing at a faster rate, and this is basically obvious. This is obvious because oxygen is a heavier molecule, so it will move slowly. So this is about effusion. So in case of effusion, rate is basically proportional to 1 by under root of molecular mass. Only thing is we have to calculate sometime molecular weight, sometime we have to calculate rate of effusion.